Today we are unboxing the latest Seiko Astron SSJ039J1, a 2026 limited edition that has created a lot of hype online. First we see the luxurious Seiko Astron box, which includes the official warranty card. We always provide a 3-year international warranty. Once we open up the box, we reveal the new Seiko Astron. The beautiful spiral dial immediately stands out. The case and bracelet are finished in black, combined with a striking turquoise dial. The watch features a titanium case with a diameter of 41.2 mm, a lug-to-lug length of 48.6 mm, and a slim thickness of around 12 mm. The bracelet has a lug width of 14 mm and is also crafted entirely from titanium. This watch is a limited edition of 1500 pieces worldwide, and this one is number 183. Let's put the watch on the wrist. Thanks to the titanium construction, it feels incredibly lightweight. It's a true eye-catcher, one that will make any watch enthusiast fall in love. And now let's take the watch outside. Here you can see how beautifully it shines in a natural outdoor setting.
Thank you guys so much for unboxing this watch with us. And if you're interested in this watch, the link is down below in the description. And we have a discount of 10% off with discount code 20K. We ship worldwide and the watch will arrive within a few days. Thank you.